Hey guys, this is PewDiePie Play, and in this video I'm going to show you a crazy card trick, and with that you can just fool your friends, and it's just amazing. So just stay tuned to the end to watch it. So now I'm going to ask you to think of any one cards which are here. So you can just think of any one cards which are here. Thought of it? Good. So now I'm just gonna put them in 3 groups, and you just tell me if it is there in that or not. So is it there anywhere here? No? Good. So, is it there anywhere here? Yes. Okay, pretty good. I'm just gonna do that 2 more times. And I'm just gonna ask you again if it is there. Is it there anywhere here? No? Pretty good. Is it there anywhere here? Yes, okay. So I'm just gonna keep it there, and we'll do that one last time. Okay, so you just tell me if it is there anywhere here. Yes, okay. Good, I'm just gonna keep it right there. Now I'm just gonna make a prediction behind my back. Okay, so it's done. And now what I'm gonna ask you to do is you can just say start, and then you can just say stop when you want to, and then you'll see what happens. So just say start. Stop. Okay, as you wish. So now the card where you stopped at, it was just where you wanted. It was not in a specific place. And that is the card which you thought of. Crazy, huh? So just stay till the end for the tutorial. So now I'm going to tell you how to do this trick. So this magic trick runs on few mathematical principles, and it's very easy. It's like just a beginner level trick, and any of you can perform it. It's just amazing, and you can just fool your friends or anybody if you're performing it anywhere. So first what you want to do is from your deck you're going to take 21 cards out. Exactly 21 or the stick won't work. So just count 21 cards and do that. So there we go. So I've just counted 21 cards, and now you can just cross check. Okay, so there are 21 cards in this, and now what you're gonna do is you're just gonna ask your friend to choose any one cards from here. Now say for example they choose the 7 of diamonds. So obviously you're not gonna know what it is. You can just shuffle it up once more so that they're sure that you didn't see the ice or anything. And now what you're gonna do is you're gonna make 3 groups in triangular form. So you're gonna take it from this start and go 3 times like this. And then that's gonna happen 7 times. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 in each one of them. And so now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna ask them if in any one of these the card is there. So as it was the 7 of diamonds, you don't know that, but of course they're gonna say yes. So you're gonna say, alright, so it's the 7 of diamonds. So if it's yes, then what you're gonna do is that you're gonna keep that deck right in the middle of the other 2 ones. So you're gonna keep one behind it and one ahead it. So that's how you're gonna do. And so now the cards, the deck of your friend's card, which she thought of, is right here in the middle. And I'm gonna do that 2 more times, in total 3 times. So you're gonna do that 7 times. 4, 5, 6, 7. Cool. So now you're again gonna ask if it's there, and this time he'll say no, because of course it's not there. And now see, the 7 of diamonds is there, but you don't know that. He's gonna say yes, and what you're gonna do is, again, go to principle, you're gonna do it in the middle. So that's how you're gonna do it. Keep it in the middle, and I'm gonna do that one last time. And 5, 7. So you've done it on the 7th time, and you're gonna ask him again if it is there. Right here. Nope. So he's gonna say no, just leave it there. And here also it's not there, so must be knowing it's here. So there's no use doing time waste. And you know that it's there. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep that in the middle and right there at the end. So that's how you're gonna do it. Now what you're gonna do behind your back is you're gonna find the 11th card. Okay? You're gonna keep on counting. So I'm just gonna show you in my front. So you're just gonna go till the 11th one, exactly 11th, or it will not work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And the 11th card is the 7 of diamonds. That's a mathematical principle. It's always going to be that same card what you thought of. Now what you're going to do that you're going to keep it in on the start. And you're going to take your hand out. And what you're going to do is you're going to do a slip. So you're going to take it like this as you're telling him start and stop. So you're going to take it like this. You're going to slip it out like that, and then you're going to just tell him to stop where he wants, and you see that this is right there, or with your fingers grip. And so as he is telling stop, you're going to just place it right in that place, and what you're going to do is you're just going to open it out and show him the card. So it's a pretty easy trick, and I think it's very easy to memorize. This works on a few basic principles. You just have to keep it in the middle, that's one thing, and you just have to keep 3 grips, 7 in each, and that's how you can do it. So hope you enjoyed watching it. Just click right here if you want to see one of my cool videos, awesome videos, and click right here if you want to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like that. So thanks for watching.